Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Elian and back to Python tutorial video series. In today's video, I'll talk about how to use comments in Python programming. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For clear information along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Comments in Python. Basically, comments in Python are non-executable statements. The comments can be used to make the code more readable. These are used to explain the Python code very clearly. The comments can also be used to prevent execution when testing the code. These can be placed at the beginning of the code, at the end of the line, and also used to comment multiple lines of code. Ideally, the comments are intended for better human understanding and not for the compiler for execution. For example, the comments can be placed at the end of a line. Example, you can see that I am writing a print function to print the statement hello world, and I am writing a comment after the line of code which says this is a comment. Here only the print function will be executed and the message hello world will be printed at the output, and the compiler ignores executing the comment this is a comment. Here the comment does not have to be the text, but it can also explain the code. Here in the below example, you see two lines of code which has two print statements to print different messages. That is, in the first message it is printing hello world, and in the second line it is printing cheers mate. Since first line is started with a hash symbol and it is commented, the first line is not executed and it is ignored by the compiler. Only the second line, which has the print statement cheers mate, will be executed and the message is printed at the output. Now let us try to understand about different types of comments in Python. We have single line comments and multi-line comments in Python. What are single line comments? Single line comment, it begins with a hash symbol. A single line comment is always useful for commenting a single line. That is, it is useful in mentioning that the whole line should be considered as a comment until the end of that line, which means that the entire line is considered as a comment when hash is used before start of any line. Here example 1 says a variable with name n assigned with a value 50, followed by a comment assign value 50 to variable n. Here only the line of code n is equal to 50 gets executed by the compiler, and the commented part assign value 50 to variable n will be ignored by the compiler. In the example 2, only the print statement gets executed and the first line which is commented will be ignored by the compiler. Then what are multi-line comments? Multi-line comments are used when we need to comment on multiple lines. This doesn't really have a syntax for multi-line comments. Python programming, we does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for each line. For example, we see that the hash symbol is inserted in 3 lines, saying it is a comment written in more than one line, followed by a executable print statement displaying the message hello Python. Here, the commented lines will be ignored by the compiler. Only the print message will be displayed at the output. Let us try to understand the multi-line comments in much detail. So, one can add multi-line string using triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. Also, triple double quotes and triple single quotes can be used for defining multi-line comments. These are used at the beginning and end of the block to comment the entire block of code. Hence, these are also called as block comments. Now let's consider an example to understand the multi-line comments in detail. In the below example, we see that triple double quotes are used to comment the first 3 lines of code, followed by a executable print message which says hello Python. In this example, the first 3 lines of message will be ignored by the compiler. Only the executable print statement gets executed and the message hello Python will be displayed at the output. Now let us try to understand these Python comments using a practical demo. For this, you need to open PyCharm IDE, then right click on your project, select new and Python file. It opens a new Python file dialog. Now enter a name for your Python code. Here I am giving my file name as comments demo and click on enter. The file gets created. Now let us try to understand about single line comment. At the beginning of the code, I am starting with a single line comment. This is Python code for single line comments demo. I am writing a print function to print hello world. We can also give our comment at the end of the line. So here I have declared a variable a and assigned a value equal to 50. After the line of code, I can write my comment as define a and store value 50. Now I am writing a code for multi-line comment. Here you see that I have used triple double quotes at the beginning of my comment, which has a message. It is a comment written in more than one line, and I have ended all these three lines using double triple quotes again. Followed by I am writing my code print function which displays a message hello Python. Now let us execute this code and see how this will work. To run the code, you need to go to the run menu and click on run. Here you need to select your code and the code will get executed. You see that the comments, the single line comment at the beginning of the code is ignored and the second line got executed, which says print hello world. Since we are not printing the value of a, though this line is executed, the value is not printed at the output. Now followed by we have a multi-line comment message, and all these three lines of multi-line comment has been ignored by the compiler. Only the last print statement was executed by the compiler, displaying hello Python at the output. So the final output would be hello world and hello Python. That's all for today's video. These are some useful URL links. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.